So in total, you can see we've got 6 main volatility ETPs that all play in the front 2-month VIX futures area. Very likely, whenever you hear somebody talking about volatility ETPs, they are probably talking about one of those 6, but there's actually others. This one is called ZIVB. Now this is again a resurrection, so to speak, of an older product that was around since almost the beginning called ZIV. But you can see this one is a -1 times inverse volatility ETP, but it actually uses different VIX futures in its calculation. We put this one right here out further on the VIX futures curve at the 4th to the 7th month VIX futures. Now why would this be different? Well, the -1 times SVIX over here and the -1 times ZIVB over here, they're both -1 times leverage, but they're very different performance. Do you notice how the slope of this curve is different on the front end than it is over here from the 4th to the 7th month? It tends to be flatter further out in time, and this essentially means that the ZIVB will move slower in both directions, up and down, compared to the faster moving front month product SVIX. But it is worth noting that it's not very popular. It has a small amount of AUM, so don't be surprised if the ZIVB gets delisted soon. But for now, it's on our landscape over here. Now, what about long volatility? Maybe similar to those other red ones over here, those super fast decaying products. Are there slower moving versions that people could potentially consider instead? The answer is a resounding yes. Again, much like the ZIVB, you can consider these watered down versions, which is great from a risk management perspective. They still drop like a rock, don't worry, but those spikes don't quite rip your face off if you get some bad timing from time to time. Again, within our tactical volatility strategy, you will recognize that VXZ. It's an awesome product for going long volatility just at those strategic times when the market is really crashing. If you look at a comparison just during the financial crisis, for example, you can see a massive discrepancy that traders will definitely want to capitalize on. So we'll throw that one up here as the 1 times midterm VIX futures VXZ.